Yo, what up YouTube? Ray Woods here, channel Crab Out the Bucket. Welcome again to another video. On this channel, I educate and give advice from my past mistakes so you don't make the same mistakes that I did. Now, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you'll be notified whenever I come out with some more quality content. In this video, I'll be showing you a bunch of different job posting sites that you don't always necessarily learn in school. I never knew this before landing a career, and it would have made finding a career and a job a whole lot easier if I would have known about these job posting sites. Now, according to the Labor Department, it's about, I think it's 6.9 million or 6.6 million in 2009 more job openings. But see, the downfall to that is that it's been about 75% of the employers who have a hard time trying to find these skilled candidates. And it's not always necessarily that the candidates may not be skilled enough. They may not know how to really structure or put their stuff on the job posting sites, create the resume, market themselves on LinkedIn. It may not be that. Or I can stop beating around the bush and be like, some of these employers be looking for people to come straight out of college with 10 years of experience. Who knows? And what I want to do for you, since I never was able to know this information, is I want to show you how you can post your information on these different job sites and what those job sites are so we can beat those statistics. I want you to beat those statistics and not be part of this people that's in there unemployed when there are so many opportunities out there. You just got to know how to go after them. With these job posting sites, what you want to understand is that a lot of them are similar to posting your resume on LinkedIn, putting the information into their platform. They just have a different database where you put your information in, your job experience, and go ahead and take the time out. Don't be lazy. Take the time out, spend a day or so to update all your information, put all of it in their database so they have it and it's there one time and you don't have to change it unless you have to update from another career experience or something like that. So go ahead and do that and knock it out. 7 of these job posting sites, you have Indeed, which is one of the, employers are using that like crazy. Indeed markets all over TV. You have Indeed, you have things like Career Builder, you have USA Jobs, you have a thing called Resume Library, you have Zip Recruiter, and you have job posting site called Glassdoor. And these different job posting sites, like I said, it's just a matter of putting your information into their database. And you want to go up to their websites, and I'll put the links in the description below with all the different job sites so you know where to go and post your things at. If I would have known a lot of this stuff, it would have given me more chances. It would have increased my chances to be able to land a position or have somebody call me or get to a job a lot faster instead of being worried about how I'm going to pay for rent the next month or how I'm going to pay for my bills the next month. What I want to do for you now is I want to switch over to the computer one last time, and I want to show you how you can use LinkedIn to specifically niche down in your field that you want to go in and land your career by connecting with somebody through LinkedIn. Here on the LinkedIn page, where you can find jobs at is you want to click here at the top where it has the job button, and it's pretty straightforward. You type in the city that you're in and then you search jobs. So let's just say you want to be a financial controller. You hit search, and now you can see all the different jobs that are posted and the requirements, the qualifications. You got Delta Airlines, KNAP North America, Emory University, all these different things. Easy apply. This is why in the previous video I said you want to make sure your profile is up to date, because when you do easy apply, you can apply with your profile, you can apply with a resume, you can just attach a resume right through the LinkedIn database. Or if they don't have that, sometimes you say apply and it'll bring you to the company's actual website. So that's another way you can find jobs through there with LinkedIn, which is the last way. And you got the different filters: entry level, associate, mid-level, all these different filters here. As we wind down towards the end of this video, I want to just reiterate that this information is something that I wish I would have known. I wish I would have known this. It would have helped me out a lot. And there's a lot of people that probably still don't know this type of information. And you may or may not know this information, which is why I make these videos for you all, to improve your lifestyle, to help you get some advice and just give you different things from my past, from my knowledge, to be able to help you in your future. So if there's anything else specifically that you would like for me to talk about that you may not know about, you know, a little information about, just go ahead and throw a comment down below and let me know what that is. I hope I was able to give some valuable information. If I was and this video helped you out, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you know when I come out with more quality content. And until the next video, I'll see you around.